suspect in abduction of St. Thomas girls captured in Portland.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Davian Bryan, the fugitive suspected to have abducted 2 girls aged 9 and 13 in Bath, St. Thomas in October of 2021, has been captured in a joint search by police and residents in the district of Durham in Portland. The 32-year-old suspect, who is on firearm and rape charges, is also believed to have attacked a woman in Durham earlier this month. The woman was dragged into a heavily vegetated area and her head bashed with a stone. She was rescued by residents and hospitalized. Police sources say Bryan was captured shortly after 9 p.m. on Wednesday night, March 23rd, during an intense search. The search was conducted in one of the most rugged and treacherous terrain in West Portland and lasted for a little over 2 hours. Residents were determined to capture the man who had caused widespread fear among people in several communities in Portland and St. Thomas. Bryan's reign of terror also reportedly targeted a student at the College of Agriculture, Science and Education, CASE, in Paisley Gardens, who was abducted and sexually assaulted shortly after 5 a.m. on March 10. Bryan was transported to an undisclosed police lockup, and he is expected to be charged with multiple offenses, including rape, abduction, and absconding bail. The Portland police continue their investigations.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!